So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today what we're going to do is something really simple, and that is going to clean this car. It is disgusting. It's 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks since I've actually cleaned it, and it's looking rotten. So today we're going to get it clean, we're going to get it polished or detailed on the outside, and we're going to detail on the inside as well. And we're going to try and get the exhaust tips looking pucker, because at the moment they look disgusting. So we've got a few products. What we're going to do is we're going to use this for the exhaust tips. We'll get those done. Bought a couple of new products for the interior of the car. So we've got a leather cleaner, which I've tested it already, and the test bit looks wicked. So we're going to do the whole seats in that. We've got some spray for the interior, so hopefully that will look and smell good too. We've got my favourite, which is the diamond shiner. This stuff is wicked for the spray on finishing. And then we've got a jet black spray polish by Turtle Wax, and we're going to give that a go as a final coat. So hopefully by the end of today we will have a clean car, a quality looking finished car, the inside nicely done, and the exhaust tips sorted. So let's crack on. So I'm not sure if this is going to pick this up, but I mean, you can see this car is looking skanky. Yeah, really bad. So we're going to get this done right now. Really, really bad. Yeah, not good at all. So we're going to get this really cleaned up and looking quality for Monday, which will probably rain. But nevertheless, we're going to get this done. We've got some new things to do in the next couple of weeks. We are going to do these in the Panther Black to match the car. We've got something exciting happening down here, which we'll explore at another time. And we're either going to replace or we're going to spray this, get this black, and some other jobs that I'm kind of looking forward to doing. But obviously let's get on with this first. Right, so we're going to start with this side, this leather seat, before we start washing the car. Just I want to get this one done and out of the way. And I'll probably do the driver's side once I've got back to the house, like last thing I do before I leave it for the night. So we're going to do this side first. Auto finesse. We'll see how this turns out. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, obviously you've got your little lever here to extend the seat. Of course you do, you know that if you're tall. So pull that out. Normally that gets really grubby under there, like you can see, absolutely disgusting. So we're going to give this a good spray, and we're going to get on with this and see what the results are. Right, so step one, the wash. And now we're going to move on to step two and get this car detailed and see how it turns out. Okay, so we're going to start with the with this. Now it says demon tires, but it's diamond shine. So just to not spray entire product onto the car. So yeah, we're going to start with this, and then we're going to move on to the detailing on the black, the jet black polish spray. So we're going to give that a go. So yeah, let's just crack on and see how this turns out. So this stuff has to be one of my most favourite products, to be fair. When you just spray it on and using a new microfiber cloth, I mean, it comes up absolutely phenomenal. With little effort. I mean, it's one of the easiest products that I've found in terms of you just spray it on and wipe it off. Yeah, I mean, I love this stuff. If you haven't used it or tried it, I'll definitely get yourself a bottle of Demon Shine by Carplan. Definitely one of my favourite products. So let's continue with this. Let's get this all done, and then we'll move on to the jet black by Turtle Wax and see how that turns out. Okay, right, so next stage. This is how it comes out from the bottle. Give that a go and see how this works. Yes, it kind of comes out wet and then it turns a little bit drier. But yeah, I mean, one side of the car looks amazing. I mean, check that out. So yeah, quite happy with this stuff. So right guys, this is the finished result. I think that looks absolutely phenomenal. The only problem with the turtle wax is it does ruin your microfibers, but that shine is just absolutely beautiful. So well worth the 12 quid. So if you are looking for something, if you haven't tried it before, give it a go. But yeah, I think that looks really, really nice. Whether I continue to use it, as I say, it ruins a microfiber, so, or a couple, but I think it does look really nice. Great finish. So hopefully you agree. I mean, the car looks absolutely phenomenal. That shine on it is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I would definitely recommend giving it a go. The only problem I have with it is the way it sprays and dries. You will end up ruining two microfibers in the process of obviously doing it. But we'll see how long the shine lasts. We'll see how well it treats or the weather affects that shine. See if it lasts a week or two in terms of holding its properties, if you like. And I, again, depending on how the rain drops on it, let's see how that works out. As I say, looks good, looks phenomenal. Ruin a couple of microfibers, which is a bit of a shame. It's not the same as the Demon Shine by Carplan, where you can wipe it off and you can still retain your microfiber to be used again. So you will end up ruining it, but to get the quality finish, it looks absolutely phenomenal, I think. Hopefully you agree. I didn't manage to get everything done today. Took longer than I hoped. We did one chair in the leather spray. This looks really good, but we'll do the other one and do another video on that. We've also got the exhaust tips to get done. Again, we'll have to do that another time. And the inside, I've started. Does look great in here. It smells really good in here. But that's, again, another video, something else to do. Not today. But we've got some exciting things over the next couple of weeks. So we'll try and get a couple of videos on the go every week. It's been a little bit impossible at the moment, but we hope to get back on track and get you guys some content every week rather than every few weeks. So I do apologise on that front. But listen, I really appreciate your support as always. So thank you so much, and I look forward to catching you up on the next one. So I appreciate it. Thank you.